Did you know that the latest update to Google's Bard now allows you to create images, even if you're not paying for the pro version? Open up bard.google.com, make sure you're signed in, and enter a prompt. Now you can either type the prompt or you use the microphone. For right now, I'm just going to paste what I've already created. Create an image of a Martian joining the Tech for Seniors Zoom session. So let's hit the submit and see what it comes up with. It takes a couple of seconds. And you notice it gives you 2 images, but you can generate more without having to do anything else. Okay, it can't give me any more. The last time I tried it, it gave me 2 additional ones, and then I had to enter a new prompt to generate more images. However, there's a nice picture. We'll have to see if on Monday, when the next Zoom session starts for Tech for Senior, if the Martian is actually going to come join us. Stay safe, stay secure, have some fun, put Bard to work. I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching and listening.